Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for James in Ohio on this new RCI 99N2. James got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment, upgraded Toshiba voltage regulator kit, and unlocked the clarifier for you per your request. Let's get right to it. The RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug, got you set around 5 watts. That way you have full adjustability if you decide to run a 6 pill or 8 pill. 40 watts all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello. 100 watt in the corner. So let's go to 250 watt slug in average. Hello. 115 average. Peak power. Hello. 250 in the corner. Let's go sideband. Hello, 1 2 1 2. Hello, 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 hello. Just a little shy of 250 on sideband. All right, James. We're going to get this out to you, bud. I hope you enjoy it from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.